welcome back. So we will resume the currency converter app from here. Last time we just created a button control and event for it. So in this tutorial, in this video, we just going to enhance our design, add few controls. So this video will be focused on the designing part only. So let me start with this control. So I will modify few things. First, the hello world name, I'll rename it to from currency. So our base currency would be USD, sorry. And then I will add edit text, which would be input, match parent, wrap content. Let's give it some ID and constraint. So this would be for time being. I will just modify this and make it parent. So I will continue with adding some more controls to it. So let's add relative control, relative layout. We match parent and wrap content. Let me give some name to it. So usually I give names to every control, so that's how it would be easier to maintain it next time, right? So it's good practice to have name to it, so you can see, you can just define the layout and all. You can position them how you want. Inside this I will add text view for labeling purpose. Wrap content, give it some name, text, and then one is spinner control. Match parent, wrap content. So here we go, we have now spinner control in place. We can name it maybe to currency spinner. Okay, looks good. Okay, so we are just out of this relative layout, just bottom of the, just above the button control. So now here we will add the output text view. So let me go ahead and add one text view for the output currency, and this will match parent width, and height would be wrap content. Give it some ID to this one too. If you say ID, 60. Here we go. Next would be, we just want to, let me write something here so it would be easy to, so this is a top, so let me add some constraint to it. Layout constraint top bottom off, and id we just want this control just below to this relative layout, so relative layout id is rl1. So here you can see this just came below, so you just need to follow this constraint things, then this will make your life easier to design any sort of application. And there are margin and padding things you can just play with it. Maybe text size, how it goes, 24 px dp. We make it text weight, font weight. Okay, doesn't have any option. Text style has anything. Okay, here we go. I will add it bold. Okay, now we go. We can see this as a bold text, and let me make it once again just below to this particular control. What happened? Okay, so you can add margin as well to your control, maybe 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, and then 10. Maybe it goes like this only, dp. Okay, here we go. So let me play it. Okay, so app is launching. Now you can see this control, and we do not have anything right now here. Okay, we can type in this text box, and here in spinner control we do not have anything right now, and convert still has the older text. Okay, convert button clicked. So this is it for this session. We'll add more functionality to make it interacting with real-time web API. Bye for now.